Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your WiseCut account and what to keep in mind before doing it. First, open the WiseCut application on your desktop and make sure that you are logged in with your account. On the home screen, at the top right corner, click on the profile icon with the scroll down arrow. From the menu, select My Account. This will open your account page showing video storage, export limits, maximum file size, as well as your personal info. You can just scroll down to the bottom middle of the account page where you will see the delete my account option. It is important to know that deleting your account is permanent, so all your projects, edits and saved videos will be lost. Click on delete my account. Then it will show a confirmation message with a current passport field to be filled. In order to successfully delete your account, please enter your current passport. Once entered, tap on yes delete my account button. After deletion, you will be logged out automatically and you can now close the WiseCut app or website. So it is important to know that your email will be removed from WiseCut and you will need a new account to use the app again. And that's how you can permanently delete your WiseCut account. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.